Warfarin. Introduction. You should always take warfarin at the same time each day. Select true or false. Correct. You should always take the dose of warfarin prescribed by your healthcare provider at the same time each day. Green vegetables have a high level of vitamin K. Select true or false. Correct. Having too much food with vitamin K in your body may lower your INR. For this reason, you must keep the amount of vitamin K in your diet steady. You should call your healthcare provider if you notice unusual bruising, large areas of bruising, or black and blue marks on your skin for unknown reasons. Select true or false. Correct. Minor bruises are a normal side effect and do not require your healthcare provider's attention. But large areas of bruising or unusual bruising are not normal, and you should call your healthcare provider if they happen. Thank you for using Explain.